Tuesday at 5:30 in the afternoon. You know, lately we've been talking mostly about heat. All of that is gone now, and we're dealing with severe thunderstorms this evening. So I want to give you an update. This is the National Weather Service radar. See the yellow outlines? These are severe thunderstorm warnings for these storms. These are in the eastern section of Lane County, bouncing off of the Cascades. The National Weather Service says these storms are moving to the northwest at 40 miles per hour. So basically, if you're in your car, you're driving 40 miles per hour, you're right side by side with the storm. And if it's moving that fast along the surface, it's producing some wind. The Weather Service believes these storms have the potential for 60 mile per hour wind gusts. That's enough to do some property damage. Also, the potential for not only heavy rain that could cause some quick flash flooding, but quarter-size hail. So when I worked at KGW and did the noon show, Futurecast was picking up, the forecast model was picking up on this storm. And it was basically keeping this storm activity together and moving it right up into downtown Portland around 7 o'clock this evening. Now, not all weather models show that, but there is potential. So we have clear skies, or at least sunny skies right now. If you look to the south, you will see some of the storm activity. Here's a larger look at the radar. Here's that big cluster that I was just showing you. So look at this, the intense red colors. So we're going to see at least some cloudiness from this coming in this evening, and maybe up into Portland, some thunderstorm activity. Certainly if you live in eastern Marion County, if you live in parts of Clackamas County, I would absolutely expect that you're going to be hearing some rumbles of thunder. Again, there could be some gusty winds, enough to do some property damage. Could be some really quick flash flooding where it's dangerous to be out driving in that. And then the hail is also a concern as well. Here is the way, now this is interesting to me because we had a tremendous outbreak of lightning on the radar this morning. So this was actual radar at 10:50 this morning, and I grabbed the shot. Look at all the lightning strikes around Mount Jefferson, and these extended up into parts of Clackamas County. Now this lightning fizzled and turned into just some passing cloud cover, but some areas got some rain from that. Here's what the 7-day forecast is showing. Basically, we're going to have this shower/thunderstorm chance well into the night. Could be some showers left over tomorrow morning, or even one of the models is showing a thunderstorm making its way off the coast around 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. So in the morning, could be some stuff on the radar, cloud cover expected. And then during the afternoon, the rain chance ends and will basically clear out and become sunny. But it's going to be a pleasant day, only about 80. And then after that, it's just kind of typical summer weather for August. Partly to mostly sunny, mid-80s, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, I still have reason to think could start off with cloudy skies. That would keep us down a little bit. And then just like that, we start to turn the heat back up. I have 87 on Sunday, 90 on Monday, 94 degrees on Tuesday. So all of a sudden that gets back into a little mini spurt of some hot weather. Anyway, the big story right now, during the noon hour, not during the noon hour, at what time is it? Coming up after 5:30 this evening is what's showing on the radar. Portland's at 84 degrees. And again, there's the radar. So just be aware. We've got storms bouncing off the Cascades trying to migrate into the valley during the evening hours. My weather site's portlandweather.com. You can find updates. You can find this live radar. And then if you like apps better, just do a search in the App Store for Portland Weather, 2 separate words. And we'll be one of the first ones that come up in both Android and the App Store. I happen to have a Samsung phone. And let me just show you real quick while I got your attention. So that's what the homepage on my app looks like. 84 in Portland. You see the live radar display, which is live on the homepage. And if you click that radar page, you'll all of a sudden get into all my imagery. There's the radar, and then you can pass through and see some of it's going to take a second to load. There we go. See some of the light satellite pictures. And I also have lightning detection on this, which doesn't looks like it's lagging in the update, but you can check that out as well on my imagery page. Okay, I'll say goodbye for now. Just keep an eye to the sky, and I'll talk to you soon.